Hello everybody, my name is Andrew and today I will teach you how to start investing in the stock market. I'll show you how to buy stocks, we'll buy a little bit of Tesla stock as an example, and all of this in just under 3 minutes. So start the clock. Well, right after the intro. Thanks to the stock markets, you can own pieces of your favorite brands. Nike, Netflix, Tesla, you name it. And it does pay off. The better the company is doing, the more other people want to own a piece of it as well. This drives up the price of its shares, making your $100 investment now worth $150, $200, or even $500. Can your savings account do that? No. Can your mattress do that? Depends on the magic that happens on it. As you might have already guessed, you cannot order stocks of Amazon on Amazon. Although we all know eventually Lex Luthor Bezos will get his bionic hands on it. To trade stocks, you need what is known as a brokerage account. It's very similar to a bank account with a little drive-through window into the stock market, where you can buy shares of various companies. And here is the best part. Today, we are lucky enough to have this access for absolutely free. That's right, it doesn't cost anything to open an account, there are no maintenance fees, it doesn't cost anything extra to buy stocks, hold stocks, sell stocks, and there are no minimums. So literally, you can buy $1 worth of Apple. How crazy is that? There are quite a few platforms where you can create an account right now, using the very same device that you're watching this video on, whether it's a computer or a smartphone. You're watching this on a smartphone, aren't you? You might have already heard of Robinhood and Webull and M1 Finance. Which one is perfect for you? It's probably a discussion for another time. In this video, we are going to use Robinhood, which is an overall amazing platform to start with for anyone. If you want to get a free bonus random stock from Robinhood, you can register using my referral link. But if you don't want to support this channel, well, f you. But if you don't want to support this channel, that's fine. You can just register directly on the website or find them in Apple Store or Google Play Store. And once you get your own brokerage account finally up and running, you need to deposit some money into it. And once the money is in there, the fun part begins. And that's when you hit the magnifying glass, you go to the stock of your choice. For me, it's going to be Tesla. Here you have the charts, here you have the stats, here you have the news, and here you have this tiny, beautiful little button. You hit that, you type in how much you want. For me, that's all I've got right now in cash in the account. Review, swipe, and here you go. Right now, my friend, I am a proud owner of Tesla. No, I am Tesla investor. Yeah. How did I do? Oh, hell yeah. By the way, I'm not sure if I need to say that, but no, I am not sponsored by Robinhood. Matter of fact, I do have accounts in all of them just for the freebies. Yeah, because just like you, I do love free shit. Like and subscribe.